The fight that's do you know where that is geographically?
Tap the screen.
Your question, by the way, you say whether the initial aggressors or you're the initial aggressor. I am the initial aggressor. If I attacked you before, then I hide in my house.
Yeah. So just
So
looking
no,
at
wait.
that verse doesn't mean
No,
much.
wait.
So that's what
So
I'm
that's one context. I have attacked you before, then I hide in my house. Then you have come to me. So yes.
So it all depends. So merely showing that doesn't wash.
So-
And that is why I need more details. Do you know?
So they want
where
another
this
verse?
is?
So they
No,
want
I know
another
I know
verse.
the verse. I know the chapter Surah Al-Baqarah. Do you know?
You've read the Quran.
Where that is geographically? Do you
You've read the
know?
Quran, right?
One second.
That's why you've
one
written
line
your
of
book.
one
To
line.
catch your voice. To catch your
You've
voice.
read the
line
whole
of
Quran. That's why you've written
One line of I want him to pursue this. Do you know where this is geographically? What does Surah Al-Baqarah? What place does Surah Al-Baqarah talk about?
Rob, it doesn't matter which place.
Matter.
No,
Details
no.
matter.
No, no, no.
Details matter.
No, it does not matter.
It does
Listen,
matter. Please.
you've read the whole
One
Quran.
second,
No, no, no.
please.
You've read the
One
whole
line of
Quran.
thought.
You've written your book.
One
according
line
to
of
your
thought.
will,
Don't
right?
be offended
No, I'm
with
not offended.
information
I'm not
and
offended.
knowledge.
I'm not offended.
Do you know where this is?
I'll give you another verse as well.
No. Just stay
No,
here.
wait. No,
Stay
wait,
here.
wait.
Do you know where this is?
Yes, in Mecca.
Where is it?
Yeah.
In Mecca.
Yeah.
At Masjid Al-Haram. Do you know who owned Masjid Al-Haram?
The infidels.
So the non-Muslims own Masjid Al-Haram. Why is the non-Muslims owned the Masjid Al-Haram? The Muslims delinquently
That's
armed-
verse.
One second.
That's verse.
No,
I get you.
You need to listen. Armed,
Yeah.
ready to fight.
Yeah.
They are there at the property of non-Muslims. So who are the initial aggressor? The initial aggressors
No,
were the
the
Muslims.
initial aggressors were the infidels.
So show me
there-
where you get
There
that
is
idea
another
from.
verse. You see, I'm giving you evidence.
No, now you're
no,
giving.
yeah.
Earlier I tried to give
Yeah.
gaslighting is something else.
No,
Or
I'm not
maybe you weren't
gaslighting.
aware. Maybe you weren't aware. You didn't think through properly. Now
No,
we are stepping
yeah,
forward.
No,
That's
I
good.
think more probably than
Sure,
you
sure.
do.
Now
so
tell
now
me.
there is another verse also. It says,
So
would
far you haven't given one to
I have given
defend.
you two verses.
No,
This
listen
is
carefully.
I can give you 4 to 5.
Surah 2, Ayat 190 to 220 or so.
Yeah.
Is Muslims standing at Masjid Al-Haram, which was owned by non-Muslims, armed. One second. In that place, to say, don't fight until they fight,
Well, that's
is
also-
ridiculousness,
No,
because
it's not.
you are the
It's
only
not.
ones who are standing there armed. And so, that is not evidence for you
It is an
to
evidence.
say
It is an evidence.
the non-Muslims were aggressors.
It is an evidence.
If you
Why?
need to provide non-Muslims
Yeah.
to be, if you need to demonstrate non-Muslims to be aggressors,
Yeah.
you need to start now.
Yeah.
Give me some information
I
from
give you
somewhere else.
now I have zillions. Look,
Somewhere else.
So
Thank you.
now, talking about your verse, the same God who commanded them, He is also the same God that have provided multiple verses. This is one of it. This is showing you the war or the
Tap on
ethics
the screen.
of war. there's-
Non-Muslims
no.
being initial aggressors.
This is another
Give
verse.
me information.
Would you not fight against people who broke their oaths? That's the infidel.
Surah,
And the Tawbah
Surah Tawbah,
Yes.
Ayat 3, 4. Yeah.
13. And
13.
determined to expel the messenger. And they had began the attack upon you the first time. So this
Where
is
are they again?
look,
Where are they?
13.
Yeah,
Verse
Surah Tawbah. No, I'm asking geographically, where are they again? Where are they?
Look,
Where are they? No, do you know what your reasoning sounds like?
yeah,
Your reasoning sounds like the jihadists who show up in our streets
yeah.
and say, how dare these non-Muslims
No,
are...
no,
Listen,
no, it's not. You
Listen
don't
carefully.
want to. You don't want to
At the
understand.
least, let
No,
me-
no, wait.
Whoa.
I
At the
showed
least-
you.
no, no,
I showed
one
you
second,
multiple
one second,
verses.
1 second. At the least, hear me out entirely and then respond. Because I give you multiple opportunities to respond. So don't cut me short. What I am saying is,
Yes.
jihadists showing up in our streets, in Westminster, in London. Please listen. Please listen and then respond. At London Bridge, outside of our parliament, in all sorts of different places in our nation, going around behaving as if they are victims and wanting to launch an attack and claiming we are not attacking until you guys say something about Muhammad
I want to-
is not
Yes.
a sensible response.
I get your point.
And this is where, now if you get my point, note carefully,
Because you've been repeating the same
haven't.
time.
I did not repeat anything. The question I asked right at the start.
Yeah, I get you.
Very simple.
I get you.
You said to justify jihad.
Yes.
You said jihad is fighting against those who started the fight. I'm asking for evidence for the non-Muslims being initial aggressors according to the Quran. I can give you counter evidence to
Yes,
you right
yes,
now.
yes.
Would you like me to give?
Well, first of all, there's a lot of points that you have made a lot of mistakes.
This is the only point
wait,
I've made.
No, wait. The first thing, there's a difference between your understanding and the verse itself. I don't care about how you can understand this verse. That's first thing. Second thing, I told you, Prophet Muhammad was in Mecca. He was prevented from doing any sort of jihad. When he was commanded to do jihad, after he has been expelled, tortured, and a lot of things, his people were killed. His people were commanded also to migrate even to Kingdom of Axiom.
You're now going
So
to
no,
some
wait,
fancy
wait.
story.
No,
I am interested in Quranic details.
I've given you two verses. I can give you three
I will
verses that
summarize
tell-
what you've given so
No,
far.
no, wait.
And then I'll
The-
give you counter
the-
evidence.
the third-
I will
those-
summarize
the-
what you've said so far and I'll give you counter evidence. Muhammad and his entourage at Masjid al-Haram,
Yeah.
which did not belong to the Muslims.
You do realize that
But
Masjid
please
al-Haram
listen.
became
But
later.
Please listen.
Not the first.
But please listen. Surah 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat 190 you pointed out to, is in relation to Masjid al-Haram. Surah 9, Surah At-Tawbah also relates to Masjid al-Haram. So the two examples you have given so far to claim
Yeah.
that the non-Muslims were the initial aggressors, in both situations,
Yes.
when you get to know the details,
Yes.
we clearly understand
yes.
that Muhammad and his entourage are the troublemakers because they show up in a place that did not belong to them and they are holding their weapons ready to fight, and they have this noble principle: don't fight until they fight, while they are at the home of someone else.
That's why I
And
said.
so- and
That's
so-
why I'm
and so-
telling him.
and-
Let's step back to the story.
Step back.
But you don't want
I
to.
will tell you what.
No, you don't want to.
Can I tell you?
No,
Can
you
I
don't
tell you?
want to.
You
I
did
told
not step back so
He
far.
has been a lot of times in Mecca. He's been tortured.
Where do you get this information?
What do you mean by I get this information? It's in the Quran itself.
I am looking for information from the Quran, not from your mouth. Where?
I give you
Where
one
in
verse.
the Quran?
I give you one verse.
Could I give you information from the Quran?
No, don't tell me about my religion because I know more than you do.
Clearly you
That's
don't.
Yes.
And you
I
have
do.
struggled so
But-
far.
No, I didn't
I will
struggle.
ask for one last time.
Yeah.
The simple
Listen.
question.
Hold
You
on.
said jihad is a response
Okay.
to
Yes.
the non-Muslims
Okay, listen.
starting a war
Historically.
against the Muslims.
Historically.
I'm asking for
Yes,
information
historically.
from the Quran.
Yeah, I'm also asking
which you use to conclude
Yes,
that the non-Muslims
Yes.
began the war.
I've
So
shown-
far,
I give you
you
two
tried
verses.
giving two information,
Yes.
two ayats. Both of them reveal that the Muslims, Muhammad and his entourage, were troublemakers waiting at
Would
the
you not
property that
fight
did not
against
belong
the
to them.
people who broke their oath and determined
While
to expel
waiting-
the messenger?
While waiting,
And
if
they
you-
had
wait,
began
What do you think about
the
now?
attack
no,
first
no.
time.
Oh, whoa.
What do you think about
If
now?
They had
Muhammad
begun-
showed up, one
Yes,
second.
this is
Now,
the
what do you
first.
think
This is
about
the
now?
first.
What do
But
you
you don't
think
want to
about now?
understand
One
this. You
second.
don't want to
What do you
understand
think
I
this.
about
understand
now? No,
more
you
than
don't
you.
understand. What do you think
If you
about now?
show up
No, if you
in
don't
front
show
of
up,
someone
bro.
else's
You
property,
don't show up, bro.
what is expected to happen to you? If you show up in front of someone else's property, what is expected to happen to you?
This verse is not
You
about
will
the
be
Mecca.
expelled. And that is what Muhammad
listen.
was subjected to, expelled.
Okay, shouting doesn't make your point.
Excuse me, sir.
What do you
Listen.
think about now? What do you
I-
think about the current
Not
situation?
interested. I am
no,
dealing with
I'm
it.
also not interested.
So if you
Listen,
stay quiet, if you're
listen.
not interested, stay quiet.
Earlier
Now
you
I'll
said
tell
this-
you what the
no,
Muslims did.
No, listen,
I will,
listen,
in
listen.
other words, to summarize briefly,
Earlier,
because the people are not listening.
This guy mentioned that the Quran says that Shias are non-Muslims. This is what the guy said earlier.
I didn't know. He was a
right?
bit confused.
This is
I
what he
didn't
said.
speak. You're confused. You
I'm not
asked me
confused,
multiple
bro.
times.
I'm not confused,
I
bro.
was, look, all of the
Listen,
recording.
you've read Quran, right?
Listen
No,
carefully.
you've read
He
Quran,
didn't
right?
read it. He didn't read it.
Book in
He
your
didn't
own,
read it.
Please
He
listen.
didn't
No, I'm
read
not
it.
trying to listen to you.
Then stay quiet.
I'm not
stay
trying to
quiet.
listen to
He
you.
doesn't want to
No,
listen
you-
to me.
you
Why
read
do you
the
want?
whole
Then
Quran,
don't
right?
touch me. If you don't want to
I'm
listen
not-
to me,
I'm not
don't touch
touching
me.
you. I'm
All right.
I'm asking
But
you a
you
question
what?
now. I'm
But
asking
you
you a
said
question
that
now.
Shias are non-Muslims.
Tap on the screen.
If asked me multiple times, I've said no. Stay away.
No.
Thank you. Clearly, you don't
welcome,
want to
brother, but
listen.
that's
Stay
not-
away.
That's what you said.
I didn't speak about Shias and Sunnis. I did
You
not.
did over there.
You are confused.
I'm not confused.
Heat is terrible to you.
No, it's not.
heat.
Please.
No, it's not. You want to
You're getting
Do
sunburned.
you want?
No, wait.
Do you want to know who the initial
So you
troublemakers are?
just jumped from our previous point. I've shown you multiple verses. First, the Prophet Muhammad was oppressed in Mecca.
Please listen carefully.
Yes.
His claim
Yes.
is that Muhammad was oppressed in Mecca.
Yes.
That is his claim.
This-
This fellow once clearly isn't listening to me carefully, and I'm helping him understand.
read the Quran?
Please keep moving, please. I've helped him understand. Please listen. I have helped him understand what Muhammad went through in Mecca was not oppression, but an appropriate legal treatment because he was a criminal waiting in a property that did not belong to him. If you come to my property and wait there like a lunatic, I will get the authorities to get rid of you. And that is exactly what Muhammad was subjected to.
That's really clear. Show
Anyone
them
with a brain
the
that
understanding
functions
of
would
such
be
people
able
like
to
you.
acknowledge
You don't want
that
to debate.
Muhammad
You
was
don't
the
want to
initial
discuss.
aggressor.
All you want is just shouting.
Okay,
But
listen
you have
carefully.
no idea what you're talking about.
In which case, right now,
No,
I'm
wait,
going to try
wait.
one
You
last
don't,
time.
you don't
throw
want
in
to
the
One
towel.
last time.
You have no idea what you're
One
talking
last
about.
time.
I've showed you historical evidence. I've showed you the Quran.
One last time.
I have given you multiple, but you don't want to understand.
One last time.
You are
One last
preaching.
time.
You are preaching.
One last
You
time.
are preaching.
One last
You
time.
are preaching.
If you want to run away like the rest of the Muslims, you're most
Tap on the screen.
Retard and you don't understand
Sure.
anything
This
what you're
way,
talking
this way,
about.
this way, this way, this way.
There's a difference
This
between
way, this way.
understanding and there's a difference between the truth.
Sure, this
But you
way.
have no idea
This
what
way,
you're talking
this
about.
way, this way.
You have no absolute idea what you're talking about.
Bus stops are there. Please take
No idea what you're talking about. I mean, look at you, you're
Any
retarded.
Muslim, please.
Yeah.
Why is there jihad in the Quran?
Tap on the
For
screen.
the simple reason that Islam is terrible. If you're walking around thinking, if you're walking around thinking that jihad is some noble Muslim response to some trouble that non-Muslims cause,
Tap on the screen.
because according to the Quran,
Show some love.
according to the Quran,
Fan, number 5.
too much of fluid, they'll help you. NHS, A&E, NHS, 999. Ring 999. Tell them,
999.
urgent attention, please. Tell them I've forgotten where my kidney is and where my brain is. They'll help you quickly. Now, what does the Quran say about what Muhammad did? The Quran says, Surah 22, Ayat 40, Surah 22, Ayat 40, and Surah 72, Ayat 18 reveals the very basic, the starting point of the problem. How did
Screen
Islam
family.
begin? Surah 22, Ayat 40, and Surah 72, Ayat 18. Both of them reveal that Muhammad clearly was confused. He shows up in front of non-Islamic properties and he thinks that they all belong to Islam. A classical case of the need to be sectioned. Same thing, mental derangement. Surah 22, let me read. If you doubt me, I will read to you the Quran which you perhaps weren't reading properly in your lives. What does Surah 22, Ayat 40 say? And I'm skipping the first statement if I move on. And were it not that Allah checks the people, some by means of others. The Islamic Allah has a mafia plan. He uses some people to get rid of some other people. If not for this, something terrible would have happened. But because he uses the Muslims to get rid of the non-Muslims, something noble happened. You know what that noble thing was? It goes on. Because of this, if not for this, there would have been demolished monasteries, churches, synagogues, and mosques in which the name of Allah is much mentioned. Do you see the problem? Muhammad clearly was terribly confused. He thought in synagogues Allah had to be worshipped. He thought in monasteries, which are these,
Monasteries.
monasteries, the, let's say, Orthodox, Coptic
Catholics.
monasteries. What did Muhammad think?
What?
Muhammad thought Allah had to be worshipped there.
Aynen, monasteries.
What did he think? In synagogues, Allah had to be worshipped.
Okay.
You can see the fundamental brain damage right at the origin. So no wonder at the top of the Temple Mount, people are so confused that they have shown up there and built the Dome of the Rock. Why? The same mental issue. This is supposed to be a mosque. Therefore, we will build Masjid Al-Haram and the Dome of the Rock. The same mental issues.
Are you a Muslim?
I am a Christian, sir.
Are you talking
Surah
anti-Muslim?
22, Ayat 40 is one example.
Are you talking anti-Muslim?
The same problem you see in Surah 72. Surah 72.
He's reading it. Is this your translation of the
Surah
Quran?
72, Ayat 18. The same problem.
Is this translation of your
What
Quran?
does it say? Surah 72, Ayat 18. It says,
Let's see if we can spot
and
the
that
agents, shall we?
masjids,
Which one is the undercover?
masjids. The term masjid here includes every place of worship. Any place of worship. It goes on to say, all for Allah. Every place of worship are from Allah.
Let's go.
And so do not invoke with Allah anyone else. So my dear friends, why does Islam go around destroying other places of worship and building in their places mosques? Because of a fundamental Islamic brain damage syndrome. A fundamental Islamic brain damage syndrome, where you go thinking that synagogues belong to the Muslims, where churches belong to the Muslims, and therefore you destroy them. And that is exactly why the custodians of Masjid Al-Haram got terribly upset with the Muslims, with Muhammad and his entourage, and they told them, stay away, go away. So instead of at least at that time beginning to make sense, what did Muhammad and his entourage do? Cry out. Muhammad and his entourage cried out, Islamophobia. That's what they cried out. Oopsie, oppression. Oppression. Why do these Muslims behave like lunatics at Speaker's Corner? Because lunacy lies at the center of Islam. Right at the core of Islam, explicitly, we understand that jihad lies. Implicitly, what lies there is lunacy, mental ailment. That's at the very core of Islam.